Let's start this semester out with some basics. What is site planning? It is a preliminary design in which you locate the different program elements on a site. Those program elements can be structures, buildings, or activity areas. They could be patterns of land use. You're going to be living over here, working over there, right? They could be landscaping and paved areas. And of course, you need to also take care of circulation and vehicular flow. Site grading then is the activity of modifying the topography of a site to achieve your objectives, all right, and accommodate all of those different program elements that you just placed on the site. Site grading is kind of a land sculpture, all right? You're using topography to achieve a desired three-dimensional result. That three-dimensional design has to be then kind of transcribed into 2 dimensions, your drawings with your notes. Right? It also involves some math. All right? You've got to calculate the correct slopes and all those different elevations. But there's a big art component to this as well, and you should end up with an aesthetic design result. Who is involved in site grading? Well, there is an entire project team. A land surveyor will document the existing conditions on a site. Then we have a landscape architect and a civil engineer. They're going to work together to prepare site grading plans. Typically, now not always, all right, but typically the landscape designer will prepare that preliminary site design and a preliminary grading plan. The civil engineer will take that and work on the details of the stormwater systems and especially the final design of roads and parking lots. The architect is involved as well. They will coordinate between these different professionals during the design process and also have input on, of course, the location and size of the building and input on site design. Finally, the general contractor will use the site grading plans for construction.